Hello, I'm Ahmad Ghahreman, Assistant Professor of Hydrometallurgy and Mining Department at Queen's University, and I work on hydrometallurgy and environmental side of mining industry. So I joined Queen's University back in 2014, January 2014, and since then we have started one of the largest and most active hydrometallurgy research groups in Canada. Fairly, I would say, one of the top 2 research groups in Canada. We have diverse number of research projects going on in the department. We have research going on the precious metal side, mostly gold. Gold is near to my heart, and so I do a lot of research on gold industry. Basically, gold is important to Canadian economy. The Canadian mining companies would produce 50% of the gold that we produce in the world. They don't produce the gold just inside the borders of Canada, but the mining companies, Canadian mining companies, would produce that gold all over the world. So gold is very important for Canadian economics. And the other side of the research we focus on is base metals, basically copper. We do have projects going on base metals and how to speed up the leaching of copper and other base metals and how to improve the recovery with minimum or non-environmental impact and more efficient processes with better economics. That's a drive for the research we have at Queen's University. The other side of the research we do is strategic metals. One of those, a group of those, is rare earth metals. Those are the group of 17 metals which are strategic to Canadian economy. The Canadian government wants to produce 25% of rare earth metals by next 3-4 years in Canada. Right at the moment, we do not have any mine producing rare earth metals, but we have large number of projects going on in Canada which they are looking into producing rare earth metals in near future. Most of those projects have some challenges technically, and we are hoping to solve few of those challenges for the industry and help them to start producing metals in Canada and improving the economics of the country. In our group, we have roughly about 10 graduate students studying all different projects in master's, PhD level, and also we have undergraduate students working in the lab along with postdocs. So we have a group of smart people here working on different projects, making improvement in the projects. Most of the projects we have involves heavy chemistry to improve the chemical side of the processes. And by that, we would like to improve the efficiency and lower the cost and take care of the environment at the same time. That's a very challenging job, but we have been doing that for 3-4 years now, and we will be doing that for the next 30 years as well.